Welcome to Factful Fridays. Let's adjust your outside rear view mirrors for a safer drive. Step 1. Locate the mirror adjustment switch on your driver's side panel. Step 2. Select the left or right mirror using the toggle switch. Step 3. Adjust the mirror using the directional pad for optimal visibility. Step 4. Return the switch to the neutral position. Bonus tip: some models offer auto-folding mirrors for added convenience. Properly adjusted mirrors reduce blind spots. Safety first. Stay informed, stay safe.